Okay, so we are here today with Aracruz and Florim to talk about these new generation products that are available on the market. We are going to talk about porcelain slabs made by Florim in North Italy, so it's a made in Italy product that is shipped overseas here in Phoenix, and Aracruz has our slabs which are 63 inches by 126 inches size in half of an inch thick, 1.2 centimeter, and they are useful for countertop application vanity top. So a product that is perfect for fabricators. That's why today we're going to talk about the production process of these new generation products and also the way to do fabrication of our slabs, how to cut the material, how to miter the material, how to do fabrication of countertop and vanity top. Then the fabrication process is going to give you all the information about the different way to use different kind of tools that you have in your shop, from the Waterjet to the CNC machine to the regular bridge saw. Which are the blade that has to be used, which are the suggestions on the RPM and the feed speed that you can use with your machineries. And after that we are going to do the fabrication using the same product that we have cut to size and mitering the edge, doing the 2 inches build-up edge for a vanity top that Aracruz is going to display in the bathroom of their warehouse here in Phoenix.
When talking about the fabrication process, cutting porcelain material is very much the same as cutting any other stone. This means that there are no special cutting tools required for cutting porcelain. The main thing to remember is that the blade needs to be a diamond blade, specifically made for cutting porcelain tile and porcelain slabs. We suggest that the feed rate, or the speed that the bridge is using to move on the slab, stay between 5 feet and 6 feet per minute. During the cutting process, reduce the speed of the blade at the entrance and exit of the slab to avoid chipping. When making a cutout of the slab, it is suggested to never leave a 90-degree corner cut. This risks cracking the corner, so it is recommended that you round the corners. Using a Waterjet machine, it is very easy to cut half-inch slabs. Once a drawing is uploaded to the machine, it will make an exact cut. When making a cutout, always start from the interior part of the slab. Sink installation. In a top mount install, the sink is placed on the top of the slab and covers the edge. A flush install requires the removal of a portion of the half-inch slab of porcelain, so that the sink will sit flush with the counter when placed on the slab. An undermounted sink is set into the slab from underneath and sealed with silicone and supported from the bottom. When working with porcelain, be careful cutting any veining or detailing because it lays on the surface of the stone and not through the entire slab. The edge of the slab can be the most fragile, but a benefit to porcelain is that it can be repaired using epoxy, matching the color of the porcelain slab.
We took a Florim porcelain slab, 63 inches by 126 inches, half of an inch thick, with the fiberglass mesh already installed in a Calacata gold look matte finish surface, and with this bridge saw and the diamond blade for porcelain slab, we have cut according to the shop drawings that we receive from the designer to create the construction of a vanity top. So what we did was starting cutting the miter edge, so the 45 degree, and then following the measurements of the shop drawings, all the sizes of the top and all the strip to do the 2 inches build up miter and all the backsplash. So once the cutting process is gonna be completed, we are gonna glue together the pieces using the epoxy, where the color is gonna match exactly the color of the porcelain slab, doing the construction of the vanity top. Okay, so once we have all the pieces cut to size, it's possible to create a connection between them, following and matching the vein at the build-up miter, and using the epoxy, we can fix them together, matching the color of the surface of the porcelain. Then once the epoxy is gonna be dry, we are gonna bevel the edge. So instead of doing a round corner, we are gonna just do 1/16 of an inch bevel all around. So in this way, the look of the matching vein is gonna be nicer than having a round edge. Now we're gonna do the sink cutout from the vanity top that we just made with the miter edge. So we are taking measurements based on the template of the sink that we are gonna use. And based on those measurements, we are gonna first drill 4 holes with a diamond core bit at the 4 corners of the sink cutout, and then with the grinder and with the blade for porcelain, so a diamond blade, they are gonna follow the line from one hole to the other, making the cutout from the vanity top ready for the installation of the sink. So Aracruz team and Florim team, hope you enjoyed the training today. You like the finished product that we just displayed to you, and you had the chance to see today how to go from a slab that is manufactured in North Italy to the finished product that is now displayed in Aracruz workshop.